Once a shepherd noticed that his staff was attracted to some stones, and people like this girl also found individual forces among certain things, and the great sailor could look something unusual while the lightning struck. Needles of their compass would fluctuate. To explain these miracles of electricity and magnetism, Volta, Galvani, Franklin, and others did a lot of experiments. But it was the first scientist, Coulomb, came up with his formula for force between charged particles. It was helpful to find these regions called field, which causes magical incidents.
This grandpa named Gauss made further step. He came up with a formula, a generalized one, to figure out precisely those fields that light followed nature of matter. Similar results were found for the magic of magnetism. But great Newton was delving in something else. Light. He concluded that light was particle-like in nature, but Huygens proved that light was following wave nature. Newton accidentally or straight came across magnetic forces by current. This drew attention of Ampere, a genius by childhood, and he solved the mystery by finding the governing formula for these magnetic forces between two wires. Then Faraday, a great mind from a miserable background, found that reverted experiments of Ampere means moving the magnetic field in a coil produced moving charge, electricity. He also derived governing equations for them. But till this mathematical physicist, Maxwell, things were pretty scattered. He combined the laws of Faraday, Ampere, and Gauss. He found that light was nothing but changing electromagnetic fields which produce each other. He also solved for the famous speed of light and its directions respective to the fields. Many years later, Planck proposed an idea that exchange of energy was not possible in continuous way but in discrete way. It implied that EM waves were quantized. Then de Broglie made a mesmerizing discovery, implying that matter and wave both obey both natures governed by this relation, lambda equals h by p. Now, history came across this legend, Einstein. He calculated the relation between mass and energy and developed the theory of relativity. His explanation to photoelectric effect supported Planck and de Broglie. Now, time for Interstellar. This movie mesmerized us just like a beautiful lecture on cosmos or more than my PHL class. Okay, that's all for now.